Okay, class. Now let me learn certain examples where we are using relational operator and selection structure. Okay, so let me start with a replit. In module 4, I have created selection.cpp. I think it should be selection 1, right? Because as we want to, I'm sorry, but let me rename it because we want to write multiple code, right? So I'll rename it selection1.cpp. Okay, so this is our first code, selection1.cpp. Okay, now in this code what we want to do, so let me define first of all this program is of if else statement. Let me write of if else statement. Okay, now okay, let me write definition of this program. So uh, read age of user and print whether he is eligible for what or not. Okay, so this is what we want to develop in our code. So first of all, we have to include our header file using namespace. Our main function is there. Okay, okay, it is showing multiple errors and so on. That is due to Grammarly. Okay, now it's good. Right, so now let me start. So we want to read age, so int age, because our code is to read age from user and print whether he is eligible to vote or not. So we have to read age from user. So first of all, we have created a variable called age. Now we'll write that enter age. So enter age of user. We'll read the age of user. Write condition like if age is greater than or equals to 18. If yes, I mean if user is of 18, then also he or she is able to like what, and that's why we have written equals to sign. Okay, and that is called you have to check the boundary. I mean if user turns 18, then also he or she is able to vote or eligible to vote, and that's why we have used greater or equal sign. Okay, now so if age is greater or equals 18, then the user is eligible to vote, else the user is not eligible to vote. Simple. Okay, and then last statement of our main function, that is 0. Is it good? Easy? So what we have used if else statement. Okay. Now make sure that as we have only one statement within a if, that's why we haven't used curly braces. But if we have multiple statement, it is compulsory for us to use it, right? So it should be within our statement, right? So that's up to us, like how we want to use. So else, and this is good practice to use the brackets. Okay, and this I'm just going to remove. Okay, so if condition is true, execute the statements. If this condition is false, it will move to the else part and execute the else part statement. I guess it's easy and can run your code and find the output. So enter age of user. Suppose I have entered 20. The user is eligible to vote. Thank you.